Me and Andre the Giant, this is Andre the Giant from the 70s, are going to tell you a little tale. Not a tale I've woven, a tale that's being woven right now in Hollywood. Even though I think I could probably weave myself a bit of a masterpiece if push came to shove. See, James Bond's Spectre franchise came up for bid. Well, Spectre was the last movie. It's the franchise James Bond that's actually up for bid. Spectre ended up in 2015 being the last movie under the contract that James Bond had. Now James Bond is up for grabs. You could go for James, but it's going to cost you some money. They value this franchise at anywhere between $5 to $2 billion. Now, they say that Warner Brothers is out in front, but two major streaming players, they figure, are going to make bids pretty equal to Warner Brothers, and I would imagine a few other studios are going to get in the mix as well. But those two streamers are Apple and Amazon. Now, we don't know what their bids could potentially be, but we know the James Bond franchise is a huge franchise with a lot of years and a lot of films left in it. And you could take it in a lot of directions. And if you're a company with a lot of money and a lot of viewership already, which Apple and Amazon both have in spades, I don't know why you wouldn't take the chance. So now it's all going to come down to who's going to win the bid. Warner Brothers is out in front, apparently, but that's all just a bunch of hearsay. We're looking for real facts here. Amazon, Apple, Warner Brothers, could it be Netflix? Who else could it be? Somebody's going to have 007 in their roster. And speaking of Apple, we got news today that while smartphone sales in June and July were doing really well, it seems that Samsung continues to hold a strong market share, and Chinese maker Huawei actually passed Apple's iPhone sales in June and July. Now, I would imagine a lot of that's attributed to people waiting for the new iPhone 8, but still, two manufacturers selling more phones than Apple now? Come on, Apple. Maybe you need James Bond on your roster to do a little espionage and take Samsung out. I don't know. Could that be the answer? Talk to your financial advisor and see if maybe taking out a couple of investments might be right for you. Because all this news about James Bond switching rosters has me thinking, hey, maybe I need to do a little portfolio allocation of my own and see what I've got that needs to be taken out and what I should be bringing in. Remember, do your due diligence. Speak to your licensed financial professional, financial advisor. Well, did I say that twice? Your licensed professional financial advisor. Don't take advice from a stuttering fool like me, but stay tuned. More from Wall Street Breakdown. Click the subscribe button. I'm going home to open this Andre the Giant.